What is sleep apnea and how does it differ from snoring?
Well, snoring is one of the symptoms of sleep apnea. You can have snoring and not have sleep apnea. The major difference is that with sleep apnea, you pause in your breathing. When your airway is open, you breathe normally. As your airway starts to close, it can vibrate, and that's what gives you snoring. And then the next step is for it to close all the way, and then you can't actually get some air in. And that is when we could determine that or call that an apnea.